Hi, Scott Roger here from Blairvadach Bikes, and I'm going to show you how to make a compass. So we need to prepare a little bit first. So I've got a little top here with some water in it. You'll also need to find a pin. You need some tissue. And you will also need a magnet. So I'll put the magnet on the floor. I will take my pin and I will pull my pin down the magnet. Now I have done this over 30 times to ensure the pin is magnetized. So I get a little bit of tissue. The best way to do this is to put the pin onto the tissue first. I've tried it the other way here. I put the tissue onto the water and then put the pin on, but the pin sunk. So I'll try it again and put both into the water. Now, the pin is pointing north, although if we spin it a little bit, it should continue to point north. South is the green bit on this pin. There's north there. So that's roughly north in that direction. So I'm going to do this again. So this time I've prepared everything inside to make it look easier. So I've got my pin. I'm going to pull it down the magnet. The next step is to put the pin onto the tissue, lift both, I'm now going to place both onto the water. Tissue should sink, there it goes, and the pin is now pointing north. So I'm going to spin it. And again the pin points north. And I can play around with this. And it should always go back to north. We need to make sure that there's no metal objects close by which could affect the needle. Then there you have it, your very own homemade compass.